Hello, uh, welcome. This is a video about how to format your essay according to MLA format, which is the one that we will use. I have a little bit of a cold, so I'm sorry if I sound nasal. Hopefully, I will be able to articulate myself well enough to get through this recording with you. So, from your desktop, you want to open up Microsoft Word. And Microsoft Word has a few default options that you'll need to change. The first being the paragraph. So you want to click on this little arrow in the paragraph section. General is fine. Indentation is fine. Spacing is what you want to change. You want to change after to 0. And you want to change line spacing to double. All essays are typed and double spaced. The next thing you want to do is change the font. So in the font section here, you can change this to 12. 12 is the standard font. Now for the body, I really just want something that's easy to read. So you may choose Times New Roman, you may choose Calibri, you may choose Arial. Those are the ones that are usually the best. I'm going to stick with Calibri. Now you need a heading at the top of each page of your essay. So, easiest way to do that is to double click at the top of the page, which will open up your header. Now as you see, this opens up a separate tab called the Header and Footer Tools. So everything you need to do for your header, you won't use a footer in this class, but everything you need for your header will be found in this green tab area. So you're going to want your last name and your page number on the first page. Now there are some instructors who don't want your heading on the first page, they want it on every other page, but I like the heading on the first page as well. So the way you do that, go to page number, top of page, plain number 3, and that puts your page number on the right hand side, right top hand corner. Then you type your last name, a space, and you can close the header and footer. This will be the way your heading looks on every single page, and it will number them automatically. So your next page will be your last name 2, last name 3, so forth. Now, the way you want to set up your heading, you put your name, I'm using my name as an example. Then you put my name, and you may put Instructor Lewis, Mrs. Lewis, or you may put Anitra Lewis. I'm not really concerned about that, as long as you put my name in some way. Then you want to put the class, which is English 111, I-4. Then you want to put the date, and the date needs to be written with the day first, an abbreviation for the month, or you can write the month out, but the month next, and then the year. So for today, it would be 8 August 2013. Space again. This is where you enter your title. It's important that your title be creative. I want creative titles. So the title for this essay, this narrative descriptive essay, should not be narrative descriptive essay or essay 1 for English 111. You're writing about something that has changed your life. The title is supposed to give the audience an idea of what your essay will be about. So give me a brief idea with your title. And it draws the reader in too, which is helpful. if I were writing an event that changed my life, then I would start with a title like this, because there was a specific car ride when I was 7 with my dad that had a huge impact on my life. So then press enter again. This is centered now. You want to change it back to left. Press the tab button. Don't try to space in. Press the tab button, and then you start writing. I'm just going to do this. And that is how you format the first page of your essay according to MLA format. Now, as we get further along in the semester, we'll talk about citations, maybe with the third essay, because we'll need it a little bit for the fourth. But no, probably with the second essay. We'll probably start talking about that with the second essay. But for right now, I want you to focus on how to format your paper correctly using MLA format without the works cited. If you have any questions or concerns, as always, please let me know. I will post a video about writing narrative descriptions, show you some examples, and we'll talk a little bit about what works and what might not work. All right, talk to you soon.